the price of a radio was reduced by 630. This represented a 30% discount. What was the price of the radio after the discount? What was the price of the radio after the discount? Now, in questions coming from discounts area, there is one important thing you need to know is the price of the item before the discount is 100%. The price of the item before the discount is given is 100%. So this is one important thing you need to know. So price, okay, before discount is 100%. Price before discount is 100%. The discount as given in the question here is 30%. Discount as given in the question is 30%. Now, price after discount is 100% minus 30%, which will be 70%. Now, if you know this, then you can solve the question very easily, or in that case any other question, as long as you know how to do this. So price before discount is 100%. The discount, if given, let's say in this case is 30%, then price after discount will be 70%. Now, how do we make use of this? Is this way now. The question is telling us that it was reduced by 630. So this is the discount given. Exactly 630. But then this discount represents what? Represents 30%. The discounts represents 30%. So it means this discount, this 30% is 630, like this. You say 30% discount is 630 shillings. What about 1%? It will be how much? What about 1%? It is going to be how much? So it will be now 630 divided by 30. To get 1%, it will be how much? 0 gone by 3 ones, by 3, 2, 1. So it's 21. 1% is 21 shillings. Now, the question is, what was the price of the radio after the discount? What was the price of the radio after the discount? And we know the price after the discount is 70%. So if 1% is 21 shillings, what about 70%? It will be how much? So 70% will be equal to 21 times 70, which will give us 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, and we have 1 0 here, 1,470. So this is the price after the discount, 1,470. Okay, now if the question was, which is this one here, if the question was asking us what was the price of the radio before the discount, what was the price of the radio before the discount, then you, using the same reasoning, you can do it. If 30% is 630, and this information is not coming from our heads, this 30% is 630 is coming clearly from the question. Okay, the question says reduced by 630, and this represents 30%. So, okay, if 30% is 630, what about 1%? Simply divide 630 by 30%, which will give 21. And now you can answer anything they are asking for. If they're asking for price after the discount, it means now it is 70%. Of course, after the discount, 70%. So what about 70%? It would be how much? Multiply by 21. If they're asking for price before the discount, it means they're asking for the 100%, because we know that price before discount always is 100%. So you would say 21 times 100, which would give you another figure, 2,100, which is here, but the question is not asking for this. It is asking for the price after the discount.